Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a little bow tie out of your toilet paper. This is something I've done in my cleaning business off and on over the years. My clients, some of them really appreciate it. And I've also done this in a couple of my Clean With Me videos, and some people have asked, how do you make those? Those are so cool. So I figured I would show you in today's video. To make a bow tie out of your toilet paper, what you're going to need is also, I should mention that this works best. It's the easiest to do if you use the thicker toilet paper. This is kind of if you look at it, I don't know if you can see it really well, but it's kind of two thin little sheets put together. It's a thicker toilet paper. It's easiest to do it with the thicker type rather than the really thin. If you have a really thin, it's a little bit more complicated. You have to be a little bit more delicate. So what you're going to need is you need 4 pieces, so 4 squares. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So pull off 4, and this is what you're going to make your bow tie out of, is the 4 pieces. And all you do is you take it. Here's the middle point. Here's the half right here. 2 and 2. Fold it just over like that, and then fold it just like this, right? And then all you're gonna do is basically squish it. So you squish it. Kind of like that. Set that to the side for a moment, and you need one piece. Take one piece. Now we're not going to remove this. All we're going to do is you're going to rip it to about right there, and you're going to do the other side the same. Rip it about right there. Okay. Then you're going to fold it. Both sides. You're going to fold that, and you're going to fold the other side. Like that. So see? This is what we're going to wrap around the bow to hold it in place. Now, like I said, you scrunch it up. I like that. Take and stick it right in the middle. Right in the middle there. And then you take this piece and you fold it over and you roll it up like that. And then you just kind of straighten it out. Oops, I just tore it. I messed it up. Haven't done one of these in a while. But that's it. That's how you do a bow. And I've done a lot prettier ones than that. It's been a while since I've done this, but the more you do it, the easier it becomes, and the more pretty you can make them. But that's essentially your bow. Grab this and pop it back on the toilet paper holder. Because that's ripped and because it's not that pretty, I'm going to do a little bit better than that real quick. Take my 4 sheets. Make my little middle piece. Okay. Make my little middle piece. Make this better. Put it there. Okay, see? And roll it up. Much better. Just like that. So that's how to make a bow tie. I think that's how to make a bow tie out of your toilet paper. I think they call this toilet paper origami. So anyways, if you like the video, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all in the next one.